Hello, my name is Mallory. Today I'll be showing you the installation process of your brand new XL Flooring luxury vinyl planks and tiles and tell you why they are recognized as the highest quality and most versatile flooring product in the market. Our flooring product is popular because it can be installed by anyone, from a DIY homeowner to a professional floor installer. So let's start with why our quality is so highly regarded. From the beginning, we knew that if we wanted to build a reputation of quality, we were going to have to manufacture a product that was consistent in color and performance from each production run to the next, plank to plank. We required quality control procedures to the standards established through ISO qualification, which would apply a high degree of continuity within the manufacturing process and acquisition of all raw materials. After much deliberation and consultation, our long and intensive search led us to favor South Korean manufacturers that could offer all we wanted of flooring and more. Our product has the highest stability ratings in the industry. That is why we have the most reliable and trusted vinyl planker tile in the market today. This is what sets us apart from our competitors. A moisture-resistant backing. This layer's gripping properties facilitate a loose-lay, tight-fit installation. It is also moisture resistant and can be enhanced to provide additional acoustic protection. A balance layer. This layer works as a counterbalance to the layers above. This prevents the planks or tiles from cupping or peaking. A vinyl layer. This layer can be 100% virgin or recycled vinyl depending on the customer's requirements. Both vinyl layers work as a bonding platform for all other layers. They are also the reason for the exceptional flexibility of our flooring. A solid fiberglass sheet. XL Flooring is one of the very few manufacturers that insert a double-coated full sheet of fiberglass into our flooring lamination. This full sheet provides unequaled size stability to our flooring. A vinyl layer. This vinyl layer, in conjunction with the other vinyl layer, provides pliability and durability. A printed layer. This is the actual pattern and color represented on the plank or tile and is created by scanning actual true wood grain, stone, or any preference for a realistic finish. A wear layer. This high-density UV coating in either 12 mil or 20 mil is both durable and delivers high resistance to scuffing. Another benefit of our flooring is its durability and versatility. Because it's stable and reliable, you can use it in any room in the home. Luxury vinyl floor is the fastest growing product in the flooring sector because it is so easy to install. Being moisture and spill resistant means that floods and spills won't damage our flooring, unlike other surfaces such as wood laminate, hardwood, and carpet. In the event of water spillage, lift our flooring, allow the subfloor to dry, and then reapply our flooring. Ours is a favorite pet-friendly floor, as it is easy to wipe up a mess and the odor will not be absorbed. Now that you've seen the benefits of our flooring, let's move on to what you need to know about putting it in your home. Installation. First, you need to know how much XL flooring you need to buy. The calculation is simple. Multiply the length of the room by the width of the room to determine the square footage required. Remember to purchase 5% more to cover any mishaps that may occur during installation. Once you've purchased your flooring and have it in your home, remember to allow it to acclimate 24 hours before proceeding with your installation. Make sure your subfloor is dry. You won't need complicated equipment to do your installation. Just a few simple and inexpensive tools are all you will need. For professional installers, a guillotine is a faster tool for cutting. Our flooring can be installed over most hard surface subfloors. It should never be laid down over carpet. Regardless of the subfloor, make sure to fill in and level any large holes and ridges. Use the appropriate filler for the flooring being repaired. Subfloor should be clean, dry, and must be flat at least 1/8 of an inch over 6 feet and 3/16 of an inch over a 10-foot span. Cut away door jambs if you wish to run flooring under them, or cut your flooring to fit around door jambs. If you have baseboards around your room, they can be left in place or removed if you wish. Once the prep is done, get the tools and flooring ready for your installation. Read your installation instructions thoroughly in preparation for laying the flooring planks or tiles. There are a few ways to install your new floor, but first, determine what direction the planks will be installed. It is recommended that the floor be installed towards the source of light. The flexibility of our flooring allows for creative installation, such as diagonal or herringbone. Carefully measure the room to determine the width of the first and last row of planks. The last row should not measure less than 2.5 inches in width. To achieve the best look, stagger planks at least 6 inches and mix planks from different boxes when installing. Tight fit installation method. Because of the unique design and precise manufacturing process of our flooring, our product can be installed without any glue. Without glue means you can install it as tight fit. This method works well when you have a nice straight wall to start and finish against. Tight fit means tight against the wall, no expansion gap required. If the wall is not straight, you may have to scribe the first and last row to fit your wall's imperfections. Perimeter glue installation. If you are using the perimeter glue method, always use pressure-sensitive adhesive, recommended for vinyl flooring. You can apply the adhesive using a notch trowel 1/16 of an inch or a paint roller. Full glue installation. For areas in your home, such as the laundry room, kitchen, or bathrooms, where moisture and a vibration may occur, you can use the full glue method using pressure-sensitive adhesive. Remember, whatever installation method you choose, always make sure your subfloor is properly prepared. The flatter the subfloor, the easier the installation will be. Now that you've installed your floor, you need to learn how to maintain it. How to maintain your new XL floor. Sweep, vacuum, and mop floors regularly. The strong UV coating on our flooring planks will protect your floor from everyday wear and tear. Use proper floor protectors on all chairs and furnishings. Do not drag furniture or heavy objects across the floor. Do not expose your floor to frequent standing water and wipe up all spills quickly. If an extensive amount of water has gotten into the subfloor, remove the planks and allow the subfloor adequate time to dry before reinstalling the flooring planks or tiles. If one or if a section of the floor gets damaged for any reason, it's easy to fix. Just lift the damaged plank or tile and replace it with a new one. This is why you should always keep a few extra planks or tiles. Do not use rubber-backed mats, as these will discolor the floor. Only use cleaners that are recommended for vinyl that do not leave a coating, such as acrylic. To clean, just use a little pH-neutral cleaner. Do not use any type of harsh detergent or solvents like lacquer thinner, abrasive cleaners, or mop and shine type products. These will leave a film on the surface of the planks or tiles. Avoid vinegar as a cleaning agent. When vacuuming, use the proper attachment for hard floor. Do not use the beater brush attachment on our floor. Now that you are done installing and have learned how to maintain your brand new XL floor, we hope you enjoy your new floor for many years to come. Thank you for watching. We at XL Flooring hope this was enjoyable and informative.